Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how you can book RT-PCR test before you are traveling to Canada on the airport itself. So on the Delhi airport, you are supposed to book the RT-PCR test before your departure and you need to show that test. So basically there are two types of tests that is given on this website, RT-PCR test and rapid PCR test. You have to book RT-PCR test for traveling to Canada. So first of all, you need to fill all the details, like you have to give your name, email ID, your phone number. I would say give your passport number, that would be better since this is for an international travel. Then select the appointment date. You can select one of the appointment date. Let's say you select 19th and you can select the slots. So all these slots are available. You can click on one of the slot and select. Then you need to select your travel type, departure. Let's say you're traveling from India, so this will be auto filled. Then you need to give your date of birth, you need to give your gender, your PAN number, that is not mandatory. You need to fill your flight details, your PNR, that is also not mandatory. Your address line 1, 2, area, city, state, country, pin code. So all these details you need to give, your nationality and country traveling to. So if you're traveling to Canada, then you need to select Canada in the drop down. Type of test, you need to select RT-PCR test. Number of passengers, you need to fill the number of passengers and you need to confirm and agree to the terms and conditions and you need to hit that book now button. So once you hit the book now button, you will be redirected to another page where you will be asked to make a payment of 500 rupees for RT-PCR test. There are various methods by which you can pay for your RT-PCR test. Um, So once you have filled this form and you have done the payment, then what happened with me was during the payment I got an error. So this was the error that I got, transaction denied. But do not panic. You just need to close it and try refreshing it. I tried to do the payment again, and when I did it for the second time, I got my appointment booked. And this is the page that appears once the appointment is being booked. You'll be getting a booking ID, you'll be getting date, as well as you'll be getting an email as well. So this is where your email ID will be mentioned, the one that you gave. And finally, you will get an email confirming that your appointment is confirmed and you can go for the RT-PCR test. So this is how you need to book the appointment for RT-PCR at Delhi Airport. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.